Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexwebs.com. Guys, in this video I'm going to talk about the expert advisor, and before going to give the review for the expert advisor, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then do subscribe it and also press the bell button so that you can keep on getting the forex trading updates from my side. Okay guys, there was no need of manual trading today on the expert advisor. You know that we are using the expert advisor on two pairs, Euro Canadian dollar and Euro USD, and it's worked pretty fine. Okay, now I'm going to show you some results. You know that I provide the results on a weekly basis, so you can see these are the trades that belong for today. I have just set up the minimum lot size to 0.01 so that it can be very efficient, and now you can see the results: 50 50 50 50 50 50 50 50 50 50 and 36 and 1.48, and going back, and you can see how many trades it has taken today. This was a losing trade, it covered with the rest of the positive trades: 50 50 37 50 50 50 50. And now going back, if you look further, look, 50 50 50 50 50, and that's the, you can also check up the dates. That's 10th of March 2020. Going back to the previous data, and you can see more results: 50 50 50 37 37 50 50 and 50. And going back, and now guys, this is the trading that belongs to the yesterday, and also that's belongs to 8th of March. So overall guys, there was no need of manual trading today, and if you look at the number of trade that it has taken today, that's quite massive, and it has given us a very good successful results on Euro Canadian dollar. It was automatically executing the and closing the trades, but guys, just make sure that once, for example, now two trades are on Euro Canadian dollar and Euro USD, but let's say if Euro USD is closed on profit, then you will have to restart your MT4 terminal so that it can start the other trades again. So all you need to do is this, that once it is finished on any particular pair, it can be Euro USD and it can be Euro Canadian dollar, so you need to restart your MT4 terminal. And guys, in case when your loss exceeds $20, then we have this trading system for you. Let me show you here that how we use this trading system. For example guys, look at here, the market came into the lower red boundary, then it has made the upward pattern, so it was a perfect time to buy the pair, and you can take the buy positions and you can manually cover up the $20 loss with no problem. So I am giving these indicators for free with the expert advisor. So if you are looking to get this expert advisor, then guys, please do not waste your time, and then simply knock me on info@200forexwebs.com. Moreover guys, if you are interested in subscribing to my signal service, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, if you want to get Skype one-to-one live coaching, for all this you need to send your inquiries on info@200forexwebs.com. Okay guys, please do like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.